Okay, so you may not have understood exactly what I meant when I was saying that by Jesus dying on the cross, according to the story, he would have saved more of his genes than if he had not. So this is the idea in biology, according to what's called kin selection. You don't only want you want your genes to be spread to the future generations, and you want them to continue. There's a desire in your genes for immortality, to live forever. And what happens is sometimes with kin selection, you want your kin to spread their genes too, so that your genes are spread as well, because you share genes with your kin. So people related to you share genes with you. So sometimes it's to your benefit to help people who are related to you, so that they may reproduce more, spread their genes, and in so doing also spread your genes. And this is really well established. Some people say that these ideas, the Darwinistic ideas, are not true, but this is very true. There's a lot of evidence indicating this is so. But what I want to say is that, so one example of how this works is in groups of animals, in some groups of animals, sometimes one member of the group, maybe who's older or who's less likely to spread his genes, he's more likely to sacrifice himself for the whole group. So if there was a predator chasing a group of gazelles, then an older gazelle who's less likely to have children, is more likely to willingly kind of be taken by the predator, so that the younger member of its kin, of its group, will survive, and they will be able to spread their genes more, and therefore her genes would actually be spread more in her sacrificing herself than if not. Well, what I was getting at with Jesus dying on the cross is, like it has been established, or like I established, it ended up helping the Jewish people. And Jesus was a Jew, and he shares genes with the Jewish people. He shares genes with all people, but we're saying with the Jewish people in this case. Everybody shares genes. Every single creature shares genes with a common ancestor, according to one common ancestor, according to biology. But in this case, he shares the most genes with the Jewish people. He, in his dying,